View continued. Example. Create view v1 as select star from employee. Let's try this example in Oracle SQL environment. View created. Create view v1 as select star from employee. So this view v1 is created on employee table. Now we shall create a temporary table as select star from employee, which is the exact copy of the employee table. So table created. So select star from v1. If we do this, copy. First we need to set the page size and line size. Set PAGESIZE page size to 150. Set LINESIZE set line size to 150. So now we shall do select star from v1. Here you can see 14 rows are selected. If you do select star from temp, we'll get the same output. We shall see same output. 14 rows selected, 14 rows selected. So if we drop the table employee, we'll try this example. Drop table employee, table dropped. Now if we do select star from v1, this will become an invalid statement. Here you can see error view sys.v1 has errors, invalid statement. It will give an error message. But if you do select star from temp, it will show you again 14 rows. So you can see 14 rows because it is a exact copy of the employee table. Now we shall to create table employee as select star from temp. Can see table created. So employee is the exact copy of table temp. Before temp was exact copy of employee. Now again we have created table employee, which is the exact copy of temp table. Now if you do select star from v1, we shall try this. So you can see all 14 rows selected. Retrieve the rows from emp. Note: new employee table must have same structure as old employee table. Then view v1 will be active. Alter on table will not reflect on views. Only DML are reflected, that is data manipulation language. View structure cannot be changed. Alter not allowed on views. After providing DDL statements on table, views related to table will become invalid. But without disturbing existing structure, if we modify the table, adding new columns, view will be active. Now I shall come to next force option. It allows to create a view without a table. Example. We shall try this example. Create force view eview1 as select star from etab 1. There is no table called as etab 1 in the database, but we are creating this table. Let us try this example. Here you can see it gives an warning. View created with compilation errors. View warning, view created with the compilation errors. If we do describe etab 1, it says object etab1 does not exist. It gives an error message. So the force view allows to create a view without a table. Error. Now we shall create table etab as select star from employee. Create table E tab 1 as select star from employee. You can see table created. Now if you do describe view E1, it is showing the structure of the EMP table, employee table. If you do select star from eView V1, you can see the 14 rows are selected. It is same as employee table. Advantage: used to register the component name in database. So that's it friends for today's session. Tomorrow we shall continue with views. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.